Jetstar, we wouldn't be able to travel as often.
Us dreamers would have to even make up our own travel adventures for the sake of our own happiness.
Sadly, our friends don't believe us anymore when we fake it.
And that's why
we love Jetstar for so many reasons.
yes, and the best thing about it is we get to enjoy flights at extremely low fares.
Yeah, and it has brought us to so many places. For example, Australia, Hong Kong,
Bali, and hopefully Taipei. You want to taste the real bubble tea at Koi Cafe?
we want to go to the National Museum Park.
You want to check out the great view at Taipei 101?
We definitely want to check out the Shilin Night Market.
And lastly, we want to soak in the hot springs.
We've been working so hard, we need a break, and we're both like bordering on like a quarter life crisis, and we need like a lifetime of adventure.
Well, besides that, we also love documenting ourselves, doing wacky stuff, and just enjoying it at the same time.
Oh yeah, there's also one more thing we've been working on, and that is
Our Jetstar Star Jump! Come, let's show them!
Alright.